For thousands of years, human beings looked toward the night sky to follow the seasons, navigate across land and sea, and to give structure to the passing of time. But they also looked upward in search of knowledge and meaning. The night sky was a clock, a calendar, a compass, and one of humanity's first great mysteries. From that long practice of watching, recording, and questioning grew astronomy, often called the oldest science. Today, it draws upon physics, mathematics, chemistry, geology, biology, and computer science to investigate a universe far beyond ordinary human experience. Astronomers can determine the distance of a star from an almost invisible change in its position. They can read the chemistry of distant objects from their light, detect planets they cannot see, calculate the mass of an invisible black hole, and listen for collisions that occurred more than 1 billion years ago. How can such small signs reveal such enormous realities? Astronomy faces a peculiar challenge. Almost everything it studies lies beyond our reach. We cannot carry a star into a laboratory, repeat the beginning of the universe, or watch two black holes collide from neighborly. Instead, astronomers work from traces, ancient light, the movement of an orbiting body, a distortion in space-time, or a tiny shift in an angle called parallax. This is the ingenuity of astronomy, making the unreachable measurable. And that requires imagination. Before something can be discovered, someone may first have to imagine how it would reveal itself. What traces would an unseen planet leave behind? How could we recognize an object that traps light? What would reach us from the collision of two black holes? But imagination becomes science only when it meets evidence. A scientific idea must face observation, criticism, and the possibility of being wrong. Science gains its power not from claiming certainty, but from testing its own ideas, correcting its mistakes, and leaving its knowledge open to revision. And that distinction matters increasingly today.